Hello, and thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we'll be covering how to set up your Dynamics 365 bot in your Microsoft Teams. Once you've downloaded your Dynamics 365 application into your Microsoft Teams, you can go ahead and start using the Dynamics 365 bot, which can help you do lots of things like get information about your contacts, opportunities, and all of the other information that it lists here. Once you have it signed in from your chat board, you'll either have the option to configure or sign in. Go ahead and select, and you'll notice that a pop-up comes, and this is where you're going to choose the environment that you want your bot to be set up in. Go ahead and select Save, or use your correct sign-in information, and then it should configure. And you will get a new message from the bot. It says you're good to go, and you can ask it lots of questions like show customers interested in the 500 desktops, which happens to be one of our opportunities, or lots of things. So for instance, if I go ahead and type opportunities, the chatbot will automatically respond back with the opportunities that are included in this particular stage. Then you can open it in Dynamics 365 on your web browser, or you can also see the information within the application itself. So if you select My Dashboard, this will bring you to your actual dashboard inside of your Microsoft Dynamics application for the environment that you Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics 365 training demo series. Come see us on LinkedIn for our Cloud Corner every Wednesday. And check out our other training demo videos. Leave us a comment and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we post a new video, remember to hit that notification bell. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info, that's INFO, at ppi365.com. We hope you join us again soon.